You clicked on this video because part of you is tired. Not physically tired. Mentally tired. Tired of starting again every few months. Tired of planning a comeback that never fully happens. Tired of knowing you could be more disciplined, more focused, more consistent, but watching days slip away anyway. You don't need motivation. You need a system. A real comeback year is not about working harder. It's about working correctly. So in this video, I'm not going to hype you up. I'm going to give you a clear framework. Simple steps you can actually follow. If you apply these steps consistently, 2026 won't just feel different. It will be different. Let's start. Step 1 is awareness and audit. Before you change anything, you need to understand how your time is actually being spent. Not how you think it's being spent, how it truly is. For the next few days, pay attention to 3 things: where your time goes, where your energy goes, where your attention goes. Notice how often you reach for your phone without thinking. Notice how often you delay important work. Notice what drains you and gives nothing back. You are not judging yourself here. You are collecting data. You cannot fix what you refuse to measure. Most people never change because they never see the full picture. They operate on feelings, not facts. Once you see the patterns clearly, change becomes logical, not emotional. Step 2 is removal before addition. Most people fail because they try to add discipline on top of chaos. That doesn't work. Before adding new habits, remove the biggest distractions. Reduce screen time. Reduce mindless entertainment. Reduce late nights. You don't need to quit everything. You need to reduce exposure. Your environment controls your behavior more than motivation ever will. Make distractions harder to access. Make productive actions easier to start. If your phone is always next to you, focus will always be a fight. If junk entertainment is always available, discipline will always feel painful. Design your environment for success. Step 3 is building one non-negotiable habit. Not 10 habits. One habit that you do every single day, regardless of mood. This could be daily exercise, focused study time, waking up at a fixed hour. This habit becomes your anchor. The goal is not productivity. The goal is self-trust. Every time you complete this habit, you prove to yourself that you follow through. That confidence compounds. Most people lack discipline because they don't trust themselves. This is how you rebuild that trust. Step 4 is physical discipline. Your body leads your mind. When your body obeys commands, your brain learns structure. Move your body daily. It doesn't have to be extreme. It has to be consistent. Exercise teaches your brain one powerful lesson. Discomfort is not dangerous. That lesson transfers to work, focus, and effort. A disciplined body creates a disciplined mind. Step 5 is attention training. Your attention is constantly being pulled in different directions. A distracted mind cannot build a comeback year. Choose one block of time daily for deep focus. No phone, no notifications, no multitasking. This could be studying, reading, or skill practice. At first, your mind will resist. That's normal. Focus is a skill. It improves with practice. The ability to concentrate deeply is one of the highest leverage skills you can build. Step 6 is consistency over intensity. Stop aiming for perfect days. Aim for repeatable days. A comeback year is built on ordinary days done correctly. Small actions done daily will beat extreme effort done occasionally. If you miss a day, don't spiral. Return immediately. Consistency is not about never failing. It's about not quitting. Step 7 is emotional control. Stop waiting to feel motivated. Motivation is unreliable. Act based on standards, not emotions. Decide in advance what kind of person you are becoming, then act accordingly, even when you don't feel like it. Discipline is choosing long-term respect over short-term comfort. Step 8 is tracking and reflection. Once a week, review your behavior, not emotionally. Logically, what worked, what didn't, what needs adjustment. Progress comes from reflection, not perfection. Step 9 is patience. Real change is slow, and that's why it works. Most people quit because results don't appear fast enough, but discipline compounds quietly. If you stay consistent, your identity will change. And when identity changes, behavior becomes automatic. By the time 2026 arrives, you won't need a motivational video. Your habits will speak for you. That is how a real comeback year is built. Not with hype, not with pressure, with clarity, structure, and consistent execution. If you follow these steps, the version of you entering 2026 will not be the same person watching this video right now.